Hello and welcome back to the CookHub. Today let's make a super tasty and crispy chicken fry using simple ingredients from your kitchen. Here are the list of ingredients required. Start by marinating the chicken. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken thighs cut into medium sized chunks. To this add 5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of garam masala, a little salt to taste, then 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, followed by 2 tablespoon of curd, squeeze in some lemon juice, then add in 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Lastly, add in 3 to 4 tablespoon of rice powder. Give this all a good mix and marinate this for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now heat some oil in a pan. You can shallow fry or even deep fry as you prefer. Once the oil is hot, gently add the chicken pieces and fry on medium heat. Keep turning until they are golden, crispy and cooked through. This should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Drain the chicken on a paper towel and that's it. Your crispy spicy chicken fry is ready to serve. Perfect as a snack, a side dish or with hot rice and dal. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Cook Hub.